Hello and welcome to the Learning Square. In this series of introduction to MIT App Inventor programming, I will now make a color picker app. So this was actually requested by one of my students who wanted to add this option in the Paint app that we had previously designed. So I've already programmed it. I'll just show it to you. So I have a screen here, which is the screen which is always present. I've added one more option here. What I've done is that in the icon, I have uploaded an app icon that I have designed. So you could change the icon, the default icon, by uploading it here and saving it. Now in the screen I have added two canvases. So you can see canvas 1 here, which is for the drawing part, canvas 2 which is for the selection of the color part. In this canvas, if I look at the properties of canvas 1, the height is 50% and width is fill parent. In canvas 2, the height is 20%, so 70% of the screen is taken by these two canvases, and the width is like before fill parent. Another thing that I have done here is that I have uploaded a background image for color 1 JPG, which is actually the image here which is being displayed. So you could have a wheel if you want. I have taken a rectangle because it fits in properly, so I have put it here. You could also put a wheel if you want. Then what I have done is that I have a ball sprite here, the black little ball here. So you have to pull it out from here, the drawing and animation ball, which we have been using in our previous classes also. So here the radius is just 2 because I want it to be a small ball which I am just moving around to be able to pick the color that I am at. Then I have added two buttons here. So the button 1, so I have changed the default. Instead of putting a color here, I have put an image here. So I have put in the same image here and here. You could do whatever you want. This is just out of choice. And the height is 20 pixels and 120. So I could maybe change it to 40 pixels. And the width is 120 pixels. So you will have to choose these as per the text that you want to display. Then I have made another button, button 2, which is for the clear screen one. So once this is done, my GUI is taken care of, the graphical user interface. I will go to the blocks for programming. Now the functionality here is that when the button 1 is clicked, button 1 you have to remember is the choose color one. So I want the ball to be enabled only when I am choosing a color. So I set this to be true. Now if you look here, so canvas 2 is being dragged. So what am I doing effectively? I'm taking this ball, I'm moving it around. So I'm actually dragging the canvas 2 here. This is canvas 2. And I want the color of this particular X and Y pixel where this ball is located. So I will have to actually find out the XY location of this ball, and then for that XY location I will find out the color on this canvas. And with that color, I will change the paint color of canvas 1 because this is where I am drawing. So let's see in the programming. So when canvas 2 is dragged, I say move the ball to current X and current Y. Wherever my finger is, I have to take that X and Y location. So 0, 0 is this particular location, and X will increase in this direction, Y will increase in this direction, and my X and Y will change according to the ball location on this particular canvas. So I move the ball to the current position of my finger and set screen 1 background color. So that was the screen 1 background color. Now what I'm also wanting this color to come here so that I'm sure that whatever I'll be drawing here, this color is also visible here. So the color selected is going to be displayed in the screen 1 background color, but since these parts are hidden, only the color will be shown only in this part. So the screen background color is now the canvas to get pixel color. So you'll have to go to canvas 2, find get pixel color, and then you put it here, and the X and Y location are taken from the ball. Once this is done, then you also need to change the paint color of the canvas 1. So canvas 1 was here, so I have changed that color to the same color that I'm getting for this ball here. So this should start working. Now another thing that I want is that I want this color to be displayed on color canvas 1. So like previously we did in the paint app, I will say set canvas line width to 5 because I just want broader lines here. You could change the line width if you want. Then I call draw line previous X and previous Y, which is the previous XY location and the new XY location. So it will keep tracing my path of the finger using this draw line method. Then the last function that I want was that when the button 2 is clicked, button 2 is clear screen. So when this is clicked, I want the canvas 1 background color to be set to white. So once this is done, I'll just build it. So I will go to MIT AI2 Companion. Scan the QR code, open the file, install it. So this app seems to be working fine. I'll clear the screen. If you see the icon, this is now changed. So new one has an icon which I had uploaded here. So I hope you enjoyed this session. I will see you in the next class. Thank you.